Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we will look into the current affairs of 3rd and 4th of March. আজি আমি 3rd আৰু 4th মাৰ্চৰ current affairs খিনি চাম. So let's start the video. Ecom Fest has been organized in Dash State to promote craftsmanship and products of Divyang artisans and entrepreneurs. The answer is New Delhi. The answer is New Delhi. The multilingual version of Incredible India website and a mobile app has been launched by the Ministry of State of Tourism and Culture, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel in New Delhi. The new version of the website and mobile app of Incredible India has been launched in 3 languages. What are the languages? ইয়াতে কোৱা হৈছে যে তিনিটা নিউ লেংগুৱেজত ইনক্ৰেডিবল ইণ্ডিয়া ৱেবছাইট আৰু এপটো লঞ্চ কৰা হৈছে। সেই তিনিটা নিউ লেংগুৱেজ কি? The 3 new languages are Chinese, Arabic and Spanish. The 3 new languages are Chinese, Arabic and Spanish. Number 3. Labour Minister Santosh Gangwar has launched a mobile application named Dash for delivery of diesel at doorsteps of housing societies, hotels and hospitals in the National Capital Region of New Delhi. The answer is Fuel Humsafar. The answer is Fuel Humsafar. A new National Security Guard Regional Hub campus has been inaugurated by Amit Shah at Kolkata. The presidency of United Nations Security Council for March 2020 has been taken over by which country? Has been taken over by China. The answer is China. The Arunachal Pradesh Assembly went paperless with the implementation of Dash, a project under the Digital India program. Arunachal Pradesh Assembly went paperless, that means they will work digitally with the implementation of Dash project under the Digital India program. The project is e-Vidhan. Answer is e-Vidhan. Pusa Krishi Vigyan Mela 2020 was held at where? Pusa Krishi Vigyan Mela 2020 was held at New Delhi. The answer is New Delhi. The historic city chalk in Old Jammu was renamed as Dash. The historic city chalk in Old Jammu was renamed as Bharat Mata Chowk. The answer is Bharat Mata Chowk. The government of India declared the National Chambal Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh as an eco-sensitive zone. The sanctuary is the home of Dash and 75% population of critically endangered species Dash. The answer is Gangetic dolphins and Gharial. The sanctuary is the home of Gangetic dolphins and 75% population of critically endangered species, that is Gharial. Gharial is an endangered species. World Wildlife Day is observed globally on Dash every year, 3rd of March. The answer is 3rd of March. And the theme is sustaining all life on earth. Antarashtriya Yog Mahotsav has been inaugurated in Dash Uttarakhand. The answer is Rishikesh. And Yog Mahotsav is held in Rishikesh every year from 1 March to 7 March. And we all know the International Yoga Day. It is celebrated on 21st of June. International Yoga Day celebrated on 21st of June. And the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat, that is T.S. Rawat. Governor of Uttar Pradesh is Baby Rani Maurya. First Khelo India University Games concludes in Bhubaneswar. It is the first ever Khelo India University game that has been concluded in Bhubaneswar. And we all know that is Orisha Day, which is also known as the Utkal Diwas, falls every year on 1st of April. CM of Orisha is Naveen Patnaik, Governor is Ganeshi Lal. 19th World Productivity Congress 2020 to be held in, the answer is Bengaluru. World Confederation of Productivity Science headquarters is located in Montreal, Canada. India signs $40 million defense deal with Armenia. The answer is Armenia. And India will supply 4 Swati weapon locating radars. Capital of Armenia is Yerevan and currency of Armenia is Armenian drum. Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is ICAR, New Delhi, signed a MOU with Dash Haridwar with Patanjali Bioresearch Institute. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and President ICAR is Narendra Singh Tomar, and headquarters of ICAR is New Delhi. ICAR is founded on 16 July 1929. 16 July 1929. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Thank you.